A variety of statistical functions are available in Excel to perform calculations ranging from basic function, mean, median, and mode, to more composite distribution and test, binomial, or chi-square. In this lesson, we will cover various statistical functions like SumIFs, CountIFs, percentile, quartiles, standard deviation, and median. SumIFs and CountIFs are the most frequently used functions in Excel. These functions allow us to perform count and sum based on one or more criteria. The SumIFs function calculates the sum of cells based on certain criteria. Let's understand how to use the function with the help of an example. Consider the given sales table. Say we want to determine the net sales done by salesman Justin. Here we will use the SumIFs function to calculate net sales. So let's write the formula in cell N4. Type equals sign, then type the function name, SumIFs, and then type an open parentheses. The first argument is the sum range. This is the input range that contains the required data. So, in our example, we will select cells H3 to H1328. The second argument is the criteria range. This denotes the range that contains the required criteria. Here, we'll pass the range that holds salesman's name cells E3 to E1328. The third argument is criteria. This corresponds to our required criteria. We only require net sales of the salesman, Justin. So, we will select cell M4. Finally, close the parenthesis. Note that we can pass multiple criteria in this function. The function returns the net sales done by Justin. CountIF's function is similar to the SumIFs function. It counts the number of cells in a given range when certain criteria is met. Say in the given sales table, we want to determine the total number of sales for net sales greater than 8,000. To determine the count, we will use the CountIFs function. So let's write the formula in cell N5. Type the equals sign, then type the function name CountIFs, and then type an open parentheses. The first argument is the criteria range 1. This denotes the range that contains the required criteria. Here, we will pass the cells containing net sales H3 to H1328. The second argument is criteria 1. This corresponds to our required criteria. We only require entries with net sales greater than 8,000. So we will enter greater than 8,000. Finally, close the parentheses. Note that the function allows you to enter multiple criteria. So, N5 reflects the total number of sales as 445 for net sales greater than 8,000.